Okay, when someone says now is not a good time, now is not a good time. What's going on? And is that okay? It is okay. And it's all in the how. So if I bring to you my emotions and we're in a relationship and I'm really upset and they say, hey, now's not a good time, what they're essentially saying is, I don't want to deal with your emotional upset. I don't know how. I don't want to. This is complicated for me. I'm not interested. It'd be better and a whole lot cooler if they just said that. Because often when a person is saying, now's not a good time, they're just basically communicating they don't want to deal with you and the upset that you're creating in them by being upset yourself. So it can be a way of shutting someone down, kind of stonewalling-ish, all right? Not ideal. I don't recommend having that even be a phrase that you have in your partnership. At the same time, sometimes the timing isn't great because, hey, honey, I'm on a work call, or hold on, let's just get the kids down and then let's deal with this later. Or maybe it's a work situation and someone's coming at you with a lot of heat and you're like, hold on, I'm already really stressed. I want to hear what you have to say. And right now, can we not do this right here, right now? So see the difference in that kind of communication? It's collaborative. It's saying, I actually do want to hear what you have to say, but right now is the timing is really off. So if you're going to say, now's not a good time, you must follow it up with a message that communicates, and I'm interested in your emotions, your feelings, your experience, what you want to tell me. You're upset. I want to know, especially if I cause some upset in you. I want to know. So if someone just says now's not a good time, or what is it that, now's not a good time, that's what I continually hear. Again, it's shutting you down. And if there's no additional statements like, let's work this out later, or and I want to hear what you have to say, or and I care about you, bad news for you. I wouldn't be in relationships with people like this. And if you are, just give them some feedback. Say, look, I need to hear the and the and is, and we can connect about this later. Because they have a right to their boundary, but not if it's just gonna get ignored, right? No way. Okay, leave a comment if this was helpful.